The layout of the Cascade Platinum Elite Windshield presents a cozy aft corner seating area with a removable table directly behind the captain's station. With a refreshment center with refrigerator, freezer, and sink, this is a great option for those wanting a cozy place to entertain. All Cascade Platinum Elite windshields come with Commander fiberglass helmstands with full windshield, upholstered automotive-style stitched trim, and a black pearlwood dash panel. A two-person midbench on the port side fills out the midsection. Like all windshield versions, this Elite's windshield spans the width of the boat. When closed, a wind-blocking panel can be inserted in the walkway to provide maximum wind protection. When the windshield is open, there is easy access to all parts of the boat. Cascade Platinum Elite Windshield is a premium, cozy, portable conversation lounge. Cascade Platinum highlight features include a Gold Plus stereo system featuring high-power Fusion stereo, 6 speakers, and subwoofer. A built-in color fish finder, depth sounder, and chart plotter. A GPS speedometer. Ultrafine touch 5000 series seating. Two-tone external smooth heavy-duty wall panels. Premium lighted deco built-in dock lights. And Pontoon side protector keels.